Hi guys, Brooke here, and today we're going to be drawing Christmas lights with a surprise message. This is a great card to give as a gift. Let's get started. All right, to get started, we're going to take our top piece and fold it down, lining up our corners and smoothing it out. Let's go ahead and grab the top piece, and we're just going to fold it up, lining up those corners and smoothing it out. Flip your whole paper over, and now we're going to take this top sheet and do the same thing, lining up those corners, starting in the middle and smoothing it out. Open it up so it makes two mountains. We're going to put our hand on it and pull the top down. And now we are ready to roll. We're going to start right here in the middle. And I'm going to start, here's the middle. I'm going to start with a small happy face. Not touching it, but right next to it, I'm going to draw a straight line over on this side. And I'm going to draw a straight line over on this side. Again, it's not touching. Then from this side to the other, I'm going to curve it over and connect. Now, the bottom two, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to curve those over and connect. Now, starting over on this side, I'm going to create a curved line, like a really tall C, that comes down all the way to center. Then from here, I'm going to do the same thing, curving it around all the way till they connect. And you'll notice when I connected them, I rounded it. So it's not a sharp point. It's a little bit rounded. And then right here, I'm going to do a line right inside here. And I'm going to make it a V that's at a diagonal. And I'm going to curve and attach that bottom part. All right, now, right down here, I'm going to draw a circle. And on this side, a circle. I'm still below the fold, and I'm going to draw a little eyebrow and a little eyebrow. Inside my circle, I'm going to draw another little circle on the top. And then right in the middle, I'm going to do a very small smile. All right, now over here, I'm going to curve it just a little bit. And do a smiley face that's a little crooked. I'm going to draw a straight line, diagonal over here, and another diagonal. I'm going to connect over here, and then I'm going to connect the bottom two. Now over here, I'm going to do a curved line. It will cross over that fold, and that's okay. And this one's going to curve the other way, coming down. And remember, when they meet up, I want it to be rounded. Over here along the side, I'm just going to do a really short line. This time I'm going to do a V going up. And I'm going to do a curved circle to connect it. Now right here, I'm going to draw a curved line. and a curved line. Those are some closed eyes, so right above it, I'm going to do a little eyebrow and a little eyebrow. And I'm going to make this one a girl, so I'm just going to do 2 little lashes on this side and 2 little lashes on this side. And then I'm going to do a curved little smile with a U underneath it. Now over on this side, I'm also going to do a crooked smile. So if I turn my paper this way, it would look like a smile. And then on each side, I'm going to draw a short line. I'm going to curve over to connect, curve under to connect. I'm going to bring this around and down. Same thing on the other side. Around and down, curving the bottom. I'm going to draw a line following along, making it a V, and rounding it to attach. Now on this one, I'm going to draw ovals for eyes with little eyebrows and an O for a mouth. Like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And I'm going to put a little U in the middle so that I can keep part of it white. So actually, we'll go ahead and color it right now, but I'm going to color that bottom part like so. I'm going to color this part in too. All right, so there's our picture coming together. You know, we can actually color in the black part of his eyes too. There we go. And then I'm going to do just a wavy line connecting our lights together and follow it along for our string of lights. Now over on this side, I'm going to actually take our line up and connect it on this side. And I'm going to follow along back like so. Over here, we're going to go ahead and put a curved line coming all the way over to the side. And we're going to follow along all the way over to the side with another line. So it looks like our string of lights is coming this way. Well, that's looking pretty cute. And when we open it up, oh shoot, we have a whole bunch of blank space. So we're going to need to finish that up. Well, let's start here at the top because this one's really easy. We need to continue this line down and continue this line down. And if we just bring this one over and connect it, then that one's already finished. And we'll just add our little oval right there. Right here in the middle, extend that line and extend that line. And I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to bring it down and connect. I'm going to put my lines in there and connect it. And then up here, I'm going to do a circle eye with a circle inside like we did before on one side. And on the other side, I'm going to do a winky eye. I'm going to add an eyebrow, add an eyebrow. And then I'm going to put a cute little smile underneath. Now remember, that whole face has to be below the fold, so when we close it, it disappears. Now over here on this one, I'm going to bring that down and curve it. I'm going to bring this one over and connect. There we go. And now down here, we need to finish these ones. So I'm going to bring this one up and up. So it continues to come in. I'm going to draw a U coming across. And I have a straight line up and a straight line up. Put a wide curved line right there at the top, and then I'm going to curve over it, connecting those two lines. Over here, I'm going to take this up above the line. Same thing with this one, take it up above the line before I do anything else with it. And I'm going to curve it in. And I'm going to link those two sides together with a curved line, taking it straight up, connecting those by going up and over, and adding a little smile inside. Now over on this side, I'm going to draw just some small eyes. 1, 2, and remember, they need to be above the line with some eyebrows. I'm going to give him a crooked smile with a little line on the end. There we go. He's kind of cute. And this one right here, we're going to go ahead and curve it up above that line. I'm going to take this one up above the line and take it out and back in. So they're the same length. There we go. And I'm going to connect them with a curved line, putting a straight line on each side that goes up, connecting those with a curved line going up and over, and then I add a curved line inside. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add some eyes. Remember to keep them above the fold. So I'm going to go ahead and do a curved line and a curved line. And on top of that, I'm going to draw almost a full circle on each side. I am going to put a circle at the top and a circle at the top. And I'm going to add eyelashes on each side. I'm going to go ahead and color this part in. And I'm going to add a cute little smile. Over here, and I'm going to put a little line on the end of it. Now one thing this one doesn't have, again, I want to be above the fold. It doesn't have this little reflection area. I'm going to add a U on the top and connect it down. Now from over here, I'm going to draw a curved line that stays above the fold, and I'm going to follow it with another curved line. From here, I'm going to curve it again over to this one. This is a string of lights, so they need to be connected. And from here, I'm going to come up and disappear. And I'm going to follow that over. So now, the lights leave here and come back in here. Now we wanted to make this a surprise card, so we need to write a message on the inside. For my message, I'm going to put Merry Christmas.
You can write Merry Christmas or a message of your own. Now we simply fold our paper down and we can open it up to find our message inside. And now that our card's complete, let's go ahead and start coloring.
All right, so here's what the final drawing should look like. So it looks like 3 Christmas lights with cute little faces, and it opens up with a little message inside and 2 different sets of Christmas lights. You can make that message whatever you like. Merry Christmas always works good though. I hope you guys had so much fun with this project. You know I did. Hope you have a happy holidays. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, and be sure to come back for more How to Draw. Bye.